What if the tools you're using right now are actually slowing you down without you even realizing it? On AU Techverse, we're breaking down the latest Klein Tools innovations that are built to save time, improve accuracy, and make real job site work easier. And if any of these tools fits your workflow, you'll find all the Amazon links ready in the description below. So don't skip, because the smartest upgrades are coming up next. MODbox drawer boxes. When your tools are buried inside stacked boxes, even a simple job can turn into wasted time. The MODbox drawer boxes are designed to solve that by giving you direct drawer access without unstacking your entire setup. In a real-world scenario like working on a busy job site, you can quickly pull out exactly what you need without disrupting your workflow. The modular design also lets you organize tools by category for faster access. This is a practical storage upgrade that keeps your tools organized, accessible, and ready when you need them most. Utility Borescope ET17. When you're trying to inspect inside walls, conduits, or tight spaces, guessing can lead to unnecessary damage or wasted time. The Utility Borescope ET17 is designed to give you a clear internal view using a small camera probe and display. In a real-world scenario like locating a wire inside a wall or checking for obstructions in a conduit, this tool allows you to see exactly what's happening before taking action. It improves decision-making and reduces guesswork. This is a practical inspection tool that helps you work smarter and avoid unnecessary rework. Collapsible dust bowl. When you're cutting into drywall or working overhead, debris falling everywhere can quickly turn a clean job into a mess. The collapsible dust bowl is designed to catch dust and debris right where the work is happening. In a real-world scenario like installing a ceiling fixture or drilling into a wall, this tool helps contain the mess before it spreads across the area. Its collapsible design also makes it easy to carry and store. This is a simple but effective solution that keeps your workspace cleaner and reduces cleanup time after the job. Pass-Thru Crimper. When you're terminating connectors, dealing with uneven wire lengths can lead to unreliable connections. The Pass-Thru Crimper is designed to work with pass-through connectors, allowing wires to extend through the connector before crimping. In a real-world scenario like preparing network or communication cables, this helps you verify proper wire order and alignment before completing the crimp. It reduces errors and ensures consistent results across multiple terminations. This is a practical crimping tool that improves accuracy and saves time during repetitive cable work. Compact laser levels. When you're installing outlets, panels, or conduit runs, maintaining straight and level alignment is essential for a professional result. Compact laser levels are designed to project clear reference lines, helping you align components accurately without constant measuring. In a real-world scenario like mounting multiple boxes across a wall, this tool allows you to keep everything perfectly aligned in less time. Its compact size makes it easy to set up and reposition on site. And this is a precision tool that improves accuracy and ensures clean, consistent installations every time. General purpose gloves. When you're handling wires, tools, and rough materials throughout the day, protecting your hands without losing control is essential. The general purpose gloves are designed to provide grip, flexibility, and basic protection during everyday tasks. In a real-world scenario like pulling cables, handling sharp edges, or working inside panels, these gloves help you maintain control while reducing the risk of cuts and abrasions. They also allow enough dexterity for precise work. This is a simple but important addition that supports safety and comfort during daily job site tasks. KNECT System. When you're working across multiple areas on a job site, keeping tools connected and easy to transport can improve efficiency. The KNECT System is designed to link compatible storage units and accessories together, creating a more organized and mobile setup. In a real-world scenario like moving between rooms during an installation, this system helps you carry multiple tools and components in one connected unit instead of making repeated trips. It keeps everything aligned and easier to manage. This is a practical system that improves organization and simplifies tool transport on busy job sites. Advanced Circuit Tracer Kit. When you're trying to identify the correct breaker or trace hidden wiring, guessing can slow you down and create safety risks. The Advanced Circuit Tracer Kit is designed to help you locate circuits and wires accurately using a transmitter and receiver system. In a real-world scenario like working in a crowded electrical panel or tracing a wire behind walls, this tool allows you to pinpoint the correct circuit without trial and error. It improves safety and saves time during diagnostics. This is a reliable solution that brings clarity and control to complex electrical tracing tasks. Magnetic wire puller. When you're trying to run wires through finished walls or insulated spaces, traditional methods can be slow and frustrating. The magnetic wire puller is designed to guide wires using a strong magnetic system, allowing you to pull cables through enclosed areas without opening large sections. In a real-world scenario like fishing wires behind drywall, this tool helps you move cables smoothly along the path with better control. It reduces wall damage and speeds up installation. This is a smart solution that makes hidden wire routing faster, cleaner, and more efficient. Large cable strippers. When you're working with thick cables, removing insulation cleanly without damaging the conductor can be challenging. The large cable strippers are designed to handle bigger cable diameters with controlled stripping action. In a real-world scenario like preparing service entrance cables or heavy-duty wiring, this tool helps you remove insulation evenly without applying excessive force. It improves accuracy and reduces the risk of damaging internal conductors. This is a reliable tool that makes handling large cables safer, faster, and more consistent in professional electrical work. Voltage testers. When you're working on electrical systems, confirming whether a circuit is live is the first and most important step. The voltage testers are designed to quickly detect the presence of voltage, helping you make safe decisions before touching any wires. In a real-world scenario like opening a junction box or troubleshooting an outlet, this tool gives you immediate feedback so you can proceed with confidence. It reduces risk and speeds up initial checks. This is an essential safety tool that every electrician relies on before starting any electrical task. Borescope for Android devices. When you're inspecting tight or hidden areas, having a visual reference can save time and prevent unnecessary damage. The Borescope for Android devices is designed to connect directly to compatible smartphones, allowing you to view internal spaces through a flexible camera probe. In a real-world scenario like checking inside walls, conduits, or equipment, this tool lets you use your phone screen to see what's happening in real time. It improves accuracy and helps you make better decisions on site. This is a convenient inspection tool that combines portability with practical functionality. NCVT-3 Tester. When you're dealing with different voltage ranges on the job, using the right tester becomes essential for both safety and accuracy. The NCVT-3 tester is designed to detect voltage in multiple ranges, allowing you to identify live circuits more effectively. In a real-world scenario like troubleshooting panels or checking outlets, it provides clear indication when voltage is present without direct contact. This helps you work confidently across different applications. It reduces uncertainty and supports safer decision-making. This is a dependable testing tool that adds flexibility and safety to everyday electrical work. Tradesman Pro Bags. When you're carrying tools, testers, and small equipment to different job locations, staying organized can save a lot of time. The Tradesman Pro bags are designed with multiple compartments to keep your tools, devices, and accessories neatly arranged. In a real-world scenario like moving between service calls, this bag allows you to quickly find what you need without digging through clutter. It also protects your gear during transport. This is a practical carrying solution that keeps your tools organized and ready for efficient work on the go. Tradesman Pro Backpack. When you're moving across a job site or climbing ladders, carrying tools in your hands can slow you down. The Tradesman Pro Backpack is designed to distribute weight across your shoulders while keeping your tools organized inside multiple compartments. In a real-world scenario like moving between floors or working in large buildings, this backpack allows you to carry essential tools comfortably while keeping your hands free. It also helps protect your gear during transport. This is a practical solution that improves mobility, organization, and comfort during everyday electrical work. Coax Explorer 2 Tester. When you're working with coaxial cables, identifying signal issues or verifying connections can take time without the right tool. The Coax Explorer 2 Tester is designed to test and map coax cables. helping you quickly identify which line is connected and whether it's functioning properly. And in a real-world scenario like setting up or troubleshooting cable systems, this tool allows you to trace lines and confirm connections without confusion. It reduces guesswork and speeds up diagnostics. This is a reliable testing tool that makes Coax cable work more accurate and efficient. MODbox Utility Cart. When you're moving multiple tools and materials across a job site, carrying everything by hand can slow you down and add unnecessary effort. The MODbox Utility Cart is designed to transport stacked MODbox units and equipment with ease. In a real-world scenario like working on a large construction site, this cart allows you to move your entire setup in one trip instead of going back and forth. It improves mobility and keeps your tools organized during transport. This is a practical solution that makes job site movement faster, easier, and more efficient. MODbox Area Light. When you're working in low-light conditions, proper illumination is essential for both safety and accuracy. The MODbox Area Light is designed to provide wide, consistent lighting across your workspace. In a real-world scenario like working inside unfinished buildings or during late-hour jobs, this light helps you clearly see tools, wiring, and connections without shadows getting in the way. Its compatibility with the MODbox system also makes it easy to position within your setup. This is a reliable lighting solution that improves visibility and helps you work more confidently in any environment. P100 Half-Mask Respirator. When you're working in dusty environments or around harmful particles, protecting your breathing is just as important as any tool you carry. The P100 Half-Mask Respirator is designed to filter airborne particles when used with compatible P100 rated filters, helping reduce exposure during cutting, drilling, or cleanup tasks. In a real-world scenario like working in drywall dust or insulation, this respirator allows you to continue working while minimizing inhalation risks. It also provides a secure and comfortable fit for longer use. This is a safety-focused tool that helps protect your health on every job. MODbox Hybrid Toolbox. When you're working with a mix of hand tools, power tools, and accessories, having one flexible storage solution can make your workflow much smoother. The MODbox Hybrid Toolbox is designed to combine open storage with enclosed compartments, giving you both quick access and secure organization. In a real-world scenario like moving between installation tasks, this toolbox allows you to keep frequently used tools within reach while safely storing smaller items. It integrates with the MODbox system for easy stacking and transport. This is a versatile toolbox that keeps your setup organized, accessible, and ready for any job. If you made it this far, you've seen how Klein Tools is focused on making real job site work faster, safer, and more organized. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to AU TechVerse for more tools and tech that truly improve how you work every day.